how to fix GTA 5 lag when driving easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy, only to do just go to this search bar here and type background apps, and once you're here, just turn off background apps, or you can just turn off the applications that you don't need, and you can turn off all the applications just by turning off the first option. And after that, just go back and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, just click here and close the applications, the application that takes your memory, old applications that you don't need, like OBS and wallpaper engine, and that's it. And then just try again, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.